In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my beginner's guide to self-tanning at home. Everything you need to know if you're a beginner to achieve the perfect glowy, olivey, bronzy, fake tan at home without laying in the sun. Because if you're new to this channel, we do not want any premature wrinkles. I've been self-tanning at home for about 11 years now, so I've definitely been around the block when it comes to self-tanning. I've tried so many different self-tanners. For about the past year, I've been obsessed with the Bondi Sands Era Ultra Dark Foam. I am obsessed with that tanning foam, but I've also been tanning for quite a long time, and foam is not the most beginner-friendly tanning product to start with. So if you're a beginner, my first biggest tip is to start with a tanning lotion, work your way up to getting comfortable with this and really mastering the tanning lotion on your skin. Then maybe move to a foam once you've kind of gotten the hang of a tanning lotion, just because a tanning lotion is a lot more forgiving. It's a lot easier to blend, doesn't dry as quickly, and you also don't need to use a mitt to apply it. So it's very, very user-friendly. It's very forgiving. I have never gotten streaks from a tanning lotion. Let's get into this. If there is one thing that I want to drill into your head about self-tanning at home, it would be that your prep is absolutely everything. The way that you prep your skin will determine how good your tan looks. Your skin needs to be moisturized before you apply your tan. Yes, I said it. If you're new to this channel, we apply moisturizer over here before we put on any tanner. Even if it is a tanning lotion, we still want to go in with body oil before you apply your tan. Just a really light, thin layer. I apply this in the shower. This is my own blend, my own concoction. I've been putting oils on my body for 8 to 10 years now, and I finally found something that I absolutely love, and I think it could really benefit you guys in your tanning routine. More about those products later at the end of the video. Anyway, moisturize. I say lotionize. Moisturize is the same thing. You need to make sure your skin is well hydrated, well lotionized before you apply your tan. This will make your application process so much smoother and prevent streaks. It also makes your tan fade so much better than if you were to just apply the tan straight onto like dry, kind of dull skin. The tan's gonna soak up really easily, so if you mess up in any one area, it's gonna be like really emphasized. Definitely make sure your skin is moisturized. No, this does not create too thick of a barrier for the tan to not stick to your skin. Your tan will still stick to your skin. I do this with both tanning lotions and tanning foams, tanning water, tanning milk, you name it. I always make sure I moisturize before I apply my tan, and it is the best thing you will ever do for your tanning routine. Trust me, even if the bottle says not to, I still do it. And so many people have commented on my channel. If you guys are not new, you would know this, but everyone tells me it's the best thing that's ever happened to their tanning routine. So moisturize before you apply your tanner. But before we moisturize, we need to exfoliate. I've always included exfoliating into my tanning routine, whether it be with a loofah in the shower. I use an exfoliating glove. Shaving is also a form of exfoliation, so if you do shave your skin before you tan, that is a great way to exfoliate. I like to hit it out of the park, and I shave, I use a loofah, and before I even get in the shower, I use a dry brush. So you guys have probably seen this everywhere in the beauty world. I've had one for a couple years, and I recently got these new ones because these are actually going to be on my website for you guys to purchase. It's just kind of like a little add-on for you guys. If you don't already have a dry brush at home, you definitely need one. It's known not only to exfoliate and make your skin super soft, but also to improve circulation. It's said to maybe even reduce cellulite, so that's always a plus. So I always start with dry brushing. I go from my feet, I start brushing upwards, and then I just go up my whole entire body. Step 2, like I already mentioned, I like to shave. So get in the shower, shave. If you don't want to shave, it's totally fine. Just skip this step. Your tan will still come out amazing. It does not matter if you choose to shave or not. Step 3, like I already mentioned, I like to go in with an exfoliating glove or a loofah in the shower. This is my little loofah sponge. I love this thing so much. I don't know why it's so fun. I was always using like the little scrubbies before, but I basically just submerge this thing in the water. And then right now I'm currently using Hydration plus Sea Kelp and Hyaluronic Acid body wash. I love this stuff because it has these little like micro exfoliating beads in there, and it just feels so fresh. It kind of smells like fresh like watermelon or something. Oh, it smells so good. No, it's not watermelon. It's just so clean. I'll put this link down below, as well as the loofah from Amazon if you guys want to check it out. Step 4, at the end of your shower, apply our body oil. So you only need a tiny little bit. All these oils, as you can see, are liquid at room temperature, so you don't have to worry about them clogging up your drain like coconut oil would, because coconut oil goes to a solid at room temperature. I used to use coconut oil, and now I don't use that anymore just because I don't want to clog up my drain. This one actually has sweet almond oil and grapeseed oil in it, as well as vitamin E and some really yummy smelling essential oils. So that's all that's in here. It's my favorite combination for the perfect body oil to use before and after my tan. So at the end of my shower, I just take this little dropper and I put a few drops of this on my arms, on my legs, on my knees, mainly in like the dry areas, but also just kind of all over my body. I only need like 4 to 5 drops for my whole arm, so this bottle will definitely last you a while. Then after your skin is all nice and oiled up and moisturized, you're gonna get out of the shower, you're gonna pat dry, and there should still be a really nice little thin layer of oil, of moisture on your skin. You're not gonna feel oily at all, but there is gonna be like a nice smoothness to your skin. This is what makes applying your tan so much easier. The tan just glides on so much better. I never tan anymore without using this oil on my body. Now we're almost ready to tan, but first I do want to take a non-tanning lotion, just your normal everyday hand lotion or body lotion, and apply that to your wrists, knees, elbows, and ankles. Anywhere, like I said, where there's dry spots, where you can get little lines in your wrists and stuff, just make sure those are all nice and filled in and moisturized with lotion. It doesn't really matter what lotion you use. I'll link the one that I use down below if you guys want to check it out, but you can really use any body lotion for this step. Next, you're just gonna wait about 10 to 20 minutes for the lotion and the oils to really just soak into your skin, and making sure that your pores had enough time to close up after your shower, because if you did take a hot or warm shower, your pores do open up and you want to make sure they close back up before you apply your tan. Otherwise they will go in there and it will be like strawberry legs except for brown, which is not a cute look. After you've waited, then it's time to apply your tanning lotion. So I'm just gonna take my Beauty by Earth tanning lotion. This is the deepest, darkest, most pigmented tanning lotion I've found. If you guys watched my tanning lotion versus tanning foam video, you would have heard that tanning lotion is usually not as pigmented as a foam. So that's why people prefer a foam and a mousse. Personally, that's why I prefer it. But this is the best tanning lotion I've ever found, and the ingredients are amazing. I buy it off Amazon. It's the perfect color. They have 2 different shades, a medium to dark and then like a more fair to medium. But you're gonna start to apply this to your entire body, starting at your shins and your thighs, and you're gonna take any of the excess that's on your hands. You're gonna lightly brush over your knees, lightly brush over your feet, and lightly brush over your ankles. We never want to apply a big blob of tanning lotion or tanning foam even directly to your knees, ankles, or feet, or your elbows or wrists, because those areas, like I said, they're prone to dryness. They're prone to just being a little sponge and soaking up all the tan and making it a lot more darker and pronounced than you want it to be. So just put any of the excess tan that was already on your hand over those areas. Never apply tan directly to those areas. Working your way up your bum, your stomach, your arms, your chest, your neck, and even your ears, basically just working upwards. That's the method that works best for me, because when you bend over, if you've already tanned your stomach, you might get like little lines in your stomach. So I just find it easiest to work from bottom to top. All right, when you get to your face, so there's 2 options that I have for you. I've done both and I honestly love both. You can mix your tanning lotion that we're using, equal parts of tanning lotion to your normal everyday face lotion. So you can apply the tanner to your face that way, dilute it a little bit, or you can use one of my favorite new products. This is the Self-Tanning Sleep Mask by Bondi Sands. This is in their Pure collection, which I think means it is fragrance free and sensitive skin approved. Yeah, it says it is non-comedogenic and it won't clog pores, fragrance, dye, and sulfate free. And I've already tried this on my face a couple times, and oh my gosh, I'm so thankful they sent this to me. That was so nice of them, because this stuff brightens up my eyes like no other. It makes the whites of my eyes just pop. It's so cool, and it's just nice when your face matches your body, because I didn't really worry about my face when I first started tanning, but it definitely is a really important step if you want to go no makeup and have your face not be like this pale kind of crazy creature up here with a nice tan golden body. I made a little reel using this product, so I'll put that up on the screen and show you guys kind of how I use it. Just make sure my face is nice and clean. I take off any makeup and then I just go in with my fingers, take a little bit of this product and rub it all over my face, making sure to really blend into the sides of my nose, my ears, and into the hairline. Then when I'm done applying this, I just wash my hands and it's all good. and then I just go to sleep and I leave it on overnight. You don't even need to leave it on fully overnight. If you wanted to do this during the day, you could leave it on for a couple hours, and that actually worked for me. I have tried that too, and it still tanned my face nicely. But you just wake up in the morning, wash your face, and you are good to go. You have a nice, gorgeously tanned face, and I actually wear a lot less makeup when I do tan my face. I don't find that I need as much bronzer, if any, because my face already matches my body, so I don't have to like color match it to be the same shade as my body. But anyway, love this product. Thank you so much, Bondi Sands, for sending that to me. This video is not sponsored, by the way, at all. They just sent me some free goodies since I am so obsessed with their Aero foam. After your face and your body are all nice and tanned, then I like to wait about 5 to 10 minutes, usually closer to 10 minutes for a lotion, just because it is a little bit thicker, so it's going to take a little bit longer to dry. And then I always like to put on what I call my tanning suit. This is my black satin pajama set. I got it from Amazon, super affordable, and it's what I wear every single time I tan. Even when I just tan my face, I put this on at night just to make sure nothing gets on my sheets, nothing gets on any other parts of my body. It really protects my tan and protects my sheets. The reason I like to tan at night also is because if you tan during the day and then you go to the bathroom and wash your hands, or you do the dishes or something, you're gonna get water spots possibly on your wrists and your arms. Or if any water touches your body, it can cause water damage to your tan. So I always like to tan right before bed, put on my tanning suit, my black pajama set, and then go to bed, and I don't have to worry about any water damage. I just wake up in the morning, my tan is already nice and set, and I'm good to go. The great thing about tanning lotion is that you don't need to wash it off like you would a tanning foam, because tanning foam, especially this Aero Ultra Dark that I always use, this has a bronzer in it, which is very pigmented on your skin. I personally like it because it allows you to see where you're applying your tan, whereas something like this, you can't really tell where you've applied it. You just have to kind of remember and then not go over that spot again. But that also means that you don't need to wash this off because there's no bronzer pigment to wash off in the morning. So with the tanning lotion, it's really nice. You can just apply it, go to bed, wake up, and you're good to go. I always do wash it off just because I like to shower in the mornings, but you don't have to if you don't want to. And we're back to the body oils. So after your tan is all nice and set, this is where the JLo red carpet glow comes in. I like to go back in with my body oil again, put a few drops of that on my shoulders, especially my décolletage, my arms, my legs, anywhere that's showing skin. So excited for you guys to try these products in your everyday body skincare routines and your tanning routines. I'm so excited to hear what you guys think of them. But when it is live, hopefully it will be by the time this video goes up. It should be. Click this link in the description. I'll also put it up on the screen here. I don't even think I mentioned the name yet, but the brand is called Nubru. It's a company name that I've had for 5 years, since freshman year of college. So it's been a dream in the making for sure. Finally coming alive, and I'm very excited for you guys to try it. Anyway, we still have another step in our tanning routine, which is to maintain with a gradual tanning lotion. This is the Gradual Tanning Milk by Bondi Sands. I absolutely love this one. Or you could honestly just go back in 1 time a week, every 7 days, every like 7 to 8 days, I'd say, with your tanning lotion. And then also make sure you're moisturizing your body with these oils throughout the week to prolong your tan and help it fade a lot more naturally. I hope this video helped you out and gave you some confidence in starting your self-tanning routine, or even if you already do self-tan, just refreshing your system. This next video that I have for you is crucial to getting a streak-free self-tan at home. Click here and I'll see you there.